Good afternoon. My name is Alex Brower. I'm with TrueDoor Property Management, and today we are at 9 Inverary in Trabuco Canyon. This is part of Dove Canyon community. The community offers lots of different amenities, pools, parks, even a golf course. This property is going to be roughly 2,300 square feet. It's 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. You enter into the living area. Nice high ceilings. It does come with a little bit of furniture. There's couch and table here and the table over there. It was just recently freshly painted, and so we still have to hang up that mirror again. This is your dining room with a wet bar. It has stained glass windows, beautiful high ceilings, chandelier. Down this little hallway, you'll have a laundry room. It does have washer dryer hookups. Lots of cabinet space, a sink. Off of the laundry is going to be the garage. 2-car garage with some storage space. It's kind of like almost a 2.5-car garage, to be honest. You'll have a little half bath here. Hall closet right here. And we got the kitchen. Lots of windows for lots of natural light. Your living room or family room. Got our kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, a little breakfast nook. Off of the kitchen is your French doors that lead outside. Nice little backyard. Please note the barbecue does not work. And then we'll head upstairs. Has hardwood flooring and then these marble floors throughout. No carpet. Right upstairs is going to be your master suite. Long hallway. We have a long closet with mirrors and then also a walk-in. Little bathroom. Tub shower. Double vanity sinks. Lots of counter space. Cruise down this hallway and we'll come to the other 2 bedrooms and bathroom. Little storage space, double vanity sinks, and a separate room for the shower tub combo and toilet. Bedroom number 2. and then bedroom number 3. This bedroom does have a TV hanging on the wall that'll come with the property. All right. Well, again, thank you for coming on our tour. This is 9 Inverary in Trabuco Canyon in the gated community of Dove Canyon. If you are interested in this property, please go online to our website, www.truedoorpm.com. Go to our rental search and request a showing, and I'd love to get you into this property. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.